In this video, I'm going to show you 5 super simple, beginner-friendly ways you can invest $100 in 2025, even if you have zero experience. Are you holding on to just $100 and thinking, "There's no way this could turn into something meaningful"? Well, what if I told you that $100 could actually be the first step toward building your financial future? That's right. You don't need thousands to start investing. You just need the right strategy. 1. Micro-investing apps. Mobile phone roundup and invest your spare change. Let's start small. Literally, micro-investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood help you invest your spare change automatically. Imagine buying a coffee for $4.50. These apps round it up to $5 and invest that 50 cents for you. Over time, those small amounts can grow without you even noticing. It's the perfect beginner move because it builds a habit without risk or stress. 2. High-yield savings and CDs. Dollar banknotes safe and steady growth with better interest. Not sure about investing just yet? That's okay. A high-yield savings account is a safe place to grow your money. It offers way better interest than a regular bank account. And if you want even more security, consider a CD, a certificate of deposit. You lock in your $100 for a few months and earn guaranteed interest. No stress, no surprises, just slow and steady growth. 3. Fractional shares. Chart increasing on a piece of big companies with $5. Think investing in companies like Apple or Amazon is only for the rich? Nope. With fractional shares, you can buy a piece of any stock, even with just $5 or $10. Apps like Public, Fidelity, or Schwab let you own a slice of big companies and start growing with them. This is great for beginners who want to invest small but think big. 4. Invest in yourself. Graduation cap learn skills that pay you back. Here's a tip most people overlook. Use that $100 to invest in you. Learn a new skill online with platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. Whether it's digital marketing, coding, or freelancing, these skills can help you earn more money in the future. It's an investment that keeps on giving for life. 5. ETFs. Basket spread risk with one smart investment. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are perfect for beginners. Think of them like a basket filled with lots of different stocks. So instead of picking just one, you invest in dozens at once. Funds like VO or SPY give you exposure to the top 500 US companies. With $100, you get built-in diversification, which means lower risk and steady growth. Small, starting today can put you ahead tomorrow. If you enjoy this video, so click the like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.